Okay, so this is how we start. Hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm gonna help you with ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how you go. You go on Google and you just type ChatGPT search. And I usually go on the second one, sponsored, always for ads. So let's go ahead and mine shows in English because I speak Spanish because I speak Spanish. But this is what you choose: ChatGPT, and it's gonna ask you to sign up or to log in. In my account, in my case, I click on login because I already created my account. But you can click on sign up, and it's gonna ask you for your email. Which option do you wanna choose? So here is the next part. Here you go. So you continue. I continue. I like to go to use Google, my Google account. It's easier and faster. And another thing, the next part would be choosing your email address that you wanna which you wanna use to access. And this is the main page. Okay. As you can see, here is the profile where you can change the settings. And in here is gonna show the history of how like for example if you want to go back to a previous chat, then you can go, and then go from there again. And here's how you start. You are going to start introducing yourself. Okay, so for example, like this: hi, my name is your name, right? I have been working on Poshmark platform for about, and then the years, how many years? My case, 6 years now. And I would like for you to help me with descriptions on my products. Okay, so here's how you do it, right? So you are making sure that you have to add this keyword in there: SEO friendly. What do you mean SEO, or what do I mean with SEO? SEO means that it has to be optimized. This is going to be optimized so more customers can find you along on the web. So SEO friendly, the characters have to be no longer than 899. Just an example, right? 899. Also include hashtags. Hashtags relevant to my product. That's how it is. And then you enter, and then ChatGPT is gonna, well, in this case, it's replying in Spanish because I speak Spanish, but you can customize the language in here. You can even, like this, you can, in English, please, and then it will automatically translate everything in English. Everything what it told me over there on the top in Spanish, it's in English too, right? That's how it puts it. So it gives you the title, okay? Oh, make sure also no emojis. Remember that Poshmark doesn't like emojis, please. Poshmark does not like emojis. There you go, see? And there you go, and you have in here a description of a product. Now if you have a picture of the product in the free version, you can include up to 3 pictures. So you can click over here on this part, and you can upload pictures, and then according to the picture it will give you a description. You can also give them some notes, what do you want to use in the description, and it will add it you know and that's how you use ChatGPT with your Poshmark. So then after you have the description, you go on your closet and you add a product. You know, I have it on the desktop version, so it looks different than having it on the phone. You know, but this is how easy it is. You can use that description and the title to put it over here on your Poshmark account. Okay, I hope it helped and keep selling.